Do you know how to properly water your succulents? It's crucial for their health and growth. Many believe that these resilient plants need little to no water, but that's a common misconception. Overwatering and underwatering both lead to issues. Understanding how to water your succulents properly is the first step to ensuring they thrive in your home. You might be wondering, when is the best time to water your succulents? Look for signs of thirst, like wrinkled leaves. Overwatering can cause yellowing and mushy leaves. The watering schedule varies depending on the succulent type, its size, and environment. Remember, overwatering is one of the most common causes of succulent death, so it's better to err on the side of too little water than too much. Now, let's dive into the correct way to water your succulents. Start with the soak and dry method. This involves watering the soil until it's completely soaked. Then, you're going to want to wait until it's completely dry before watering again. It's crucial to use well-draining soil and a pot with good drainage. This ensures that the water doesn't sit and cause root rot, a common issue for succulents. With these steps, you can ensure your succulents are getting the right amount of water they need to flourish. To recap, watering your succulents properly is crucial for their health and growth. We've walked through the importance of understanding your plant's water needs and the signs to look for when it's time to water. We also dove into the step-by-step process, emphasizing the need to soak the soil and let it dry completely before the next watering. These steps will ensure your succulents thrive. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Happy gardening!